Code is flowing like a stream so wide, locks and keys where secrets hide. Scan the lines where the risks reside, in the digital jungle where rules collide. Patch it up before it breaks, every moment a move it takes. Guard the gates with the shields we make, DevSecOps for the future's sake. Build it fast, but build it right. Shadows dance in the glow of light. Pipelines hum in the dead of night. Automation's roar is our guiding sight. Patch it up before it breaks, every moment a move it takes. Guard the gates with the shields we make, DevSecOps for the future's sake. Threats are whispers we can't ignore. Behind each door there's always more. The fortress stands but we must explore, to keep the walls from the data store. Patch it up before it breaks, every moment a move it takes. Guard the gates with the shields we make, DevSecOps for the future's sake.